Okay, so I'm starting upstairs on one side of the house. So here's just one bathroom. Here is a random door. Where does it go? A balcony to look out the fronts. There's Minnie. So this is like a second master, I guess. It's not as fancy. The master itself also has a balcony. Not the prettiest view, but yeah, balcony. Hopefully you got data in time because this is going to be long. So we walk down here. Here's the same balcony. Here is another bedroom connected to the same balcony of the bathroom. Okay, I'm kind of learning. I haven't seen everything. How do you even see all this? The house is so big it has a fire exit like a hotel. Here's the bathroom I used today. I'm trying them all. It's got like multiple shower heads. You can run them all. Here's the sink, bathtub. Are you getting, ooh, look. This balcony is a little bit bigger. Same idea. Palm tree. Minnie, hi. Minnie is scared of like the water in the pool. We're getting her used to it though. You have to make sure to lock every door. Okay. Did we go in here? No. Here's another bedroom. Here is a balcony. How do you open this? Okay. So this balcony is like really big because a bunch of bedrooms go to it. This is the view of the pool, the Deepwater Canal. Minnie's exploring. Oh my God, we are 2 minutes into this. Like, I haven't even shown y'all nothing. Like, what's this? Like, even this. Just a random spare bedroom. Look how deep that closet is. More escape plans. The thing is too, there's like a billion thermostats. There's like individual AC units. What's this? Another AC unit. Another thermostat. Another bathroom. Ooh, I haven't used this bathroom. This looks nice. This actually looks like something that I could maybe afford. Like, it's nice, but it's, this I could do. I could see myself one day owning. Here is the next bedroom, another view. More closet. Here is our master. Our bed. Here is like the master bathroom. This is insane. You see this? Like, that looks like a normal little linen closet. It goes all the way back here. Like, look at this. Like, it's crazy. Hi, minis. And then, I don't even know what this is. What is this? The bathroom has its own water heater. What? Bathtub. See, this shower is even crazier. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like 8 shower heads. Bathtub. Another balcony. Oh my God, look. What was she doing with that dog? Yeah, so we're at 5 minutes and we're just upstairs, which upstairs is fine, but downstairs is better. So here's a really pretty chandelier. Here's the stairs. You gotta get your workout in. Here is Brian's office. He brought his monitors. He works in here. That lady's still out there carrying that dog. Here is another bathroom. That connects to the office I showed you. Here's the living room. Here is the alcohol room. I don't even know what this is. That's locked. Who knows? Here's the second living room. Here's the kitchen. The kitchen's fancy, but there's not much to it. Like, it has a built-in coffee maker, which doesn't work. Espresso, I like that. Microwave, stove, oven. The fridge is fancy and like built in, but there's not really much to it. Like, it's kind of a basic fridge, even though it's big and grand. What else? Okay, so here is the dining room right here. Back here is the laundry room. Okay, so get this. The laundry room, there's another bath, like a full bath next to the laundry room. But then there's this little room, which this looks cozy. Like, it doesn't feel like you're in a mansion when you're here. I kind of like this. This is a fold out. This is another giant closet. It somehow has its own AC too. See, look, like, what? And then if we go out here, I feel like I missed a lot of stuff. Did I miss something? I don't think so. So here is the garage. So we got the Cybertruck parked in it. It's got a full like dryer outlet or charging. This, look, like, huh? A bathroom in the garage? It's just hard to like grasp the scale of how big this is. Like, I can't get the whole house into the shot. It's crazy. So we have these like giant palm trees, which like the house next to us is even bigger. It makes ours look gross and poor. But the front glass looks amazing. Lets in a lot of light. Here we can get to the pool area this way. But look at this. These all for the AC. 1, 2, 3, 4. The heater for the pool. There's more AC stuff on the other side. Like, this house, how do you enjoy it all? Ow. Okay, so here's the pool. It's like 82 degrees. There's palm trees with coconuts. There's the lizards right there. What else is there to show? Not much. I swear I saw something splashing around in the water. But like down here, I mean, you can just get the vibe. Like, our house is probably one of the cheaper houses. Like, the one next to us looks crazy. Ow, I stabbed myself. So this side only has one AC unit. There's Cybertruck. It's just crazy. What are they doing? Are they from the neighborhood? They look poor. Anyway, while I'm out here, I just want to show you like the house next door because it's even nicer. So like, look at this. I'm gonna try to act like I'm not recording. Like, this house, you see it? It's like ours but crazier. The doggies, like at the end of our road, a yacht. Like, that house is amazing. Look at that. And then there's their mango tree right there. And at the end of the road is even like a bigger house. It's crazy. Okay, I think that's it. I'll let you know if I forgot anything.